guys, what is going on? Back with another video, and before I go into the main topic of this video, which is probably why you clicked on this video, I want to go over a couple of things first. The first thing I want to go over is, if you guys haven't subscribed, please make sure you go ahead and do that right now. Also hit that notification bell to stay updated with my videos, so whenever I post one, you guys are updated. The second thing I want to talk about is, if you guys don't know, or if you guys haven't seen my recent videos, please make sure you go ahead and do so right now. I'm going to post the links at the end of this video, so please make sure you go ahead and check it out. And the last thing I want to talk about before I go into the main topic of this video is, I actually ordered a ton of new parts for my Mustang, so stay tuned for that. I am going to be installing them and showing you guys the install, as well as, you know, all the different stuff I have on it. I'm going to try to review, so please make sure you subscribe down below. And with that being said, let's jump into the video. So I'm going to show you my Mustang, and I'm going to finally show you exactly how I've ruined it. And as you can see, I've put on the stock wing, and I honestly can't believe I did this. I mean, it looks all right, but I think, in my opinion, the MMD V series wing is definitely the way to go. This one is all right. I mean, my personal favorite angle for this wing is going to be this view, especially because you look out of your mirror and then you see that wing, and it looks like a little mini 350 wing. But with that being said, I think I like the MMD V series wing better. So I actually have it in the trunk. Let me show you guys real quick. So here it is. Here's my old MMD that I'm about to put on right now and get rid of the stock wing. And with that being said, I'll meet you guys when I'm about to put on the MMD V series. Now, I don't want to give away exactly what I purchased for my car, but let's just say my cold starts are going to be that much louder. Just made over to my friend's garage. Like I said earlier, I'm installing the MMD V series wing back on the car. However, if you take a look over here, we got a couple scratches from the wing. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to show you guys proper technique and how to buff out these scratches. You know, so what you're going to do is, you want to get an applicator pad, you know, a nice clean applicator pad. And then come over here, get some nice buffing compound. And what you guys want to watch this very carefully in how you apply this buffing compound. So what you want to do is, you want to sprinkle some buffing compound on there. So like I said, guys, don't want to put too much buffing compound on there. I mean, you just have a little excess buffing compound. And what you're going to want to do is, you want to find your scratch. And in my case, we have a couple somewhere around here. So you're just going to want to smear it. And you don't want to put too much, guys. You don't want to put too much. Just want to smear it, you know, around, just to make sure you cover the area. And it is just right over here. But I'm going to buff the whole area just in case, you know, just in case. You don't know what's hiding out there, guys. It is a cruel world out there. So with that being said, I'll come to you guys when the wing's installed. So there you guys have it. Here's the finished product. I honestly think it looks a lot better than the stock wing, but again, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And with that being said, I'll talk to you guys next time.